So of course you are getting the new office. So you guys can, from July, you guys know this, without 40 hours, nobody can join. Simple as this. You get the stride, 40 hours full time. You get the climb credit, 30 to 35 hours because you're paying them back. So you can work. So basically this kind of things, if you do 40 hours, 6 months, I can assure you, you'll be the damn expert on it. Expert, not the basic, because 40 hours is not a joke. It is good amount of hours. If you even sleep on your computer, computer will be tired and computer will say, okay, go get it, everything you need. Okay, you will be eventually getting everything without you have experience. So make sure you know this. You can come to the in-person here, right? At the new office, you can come in person, you can study all you want. Okay, you can bring your food, you can eat your food, whatever you need to do. We will be providing everything from our end. Okay, but make sure you know this. Each of the workshop, it takes over 30 hours to get everything done, even over 30 hours. Okay, so make sure you know this. And I want to remind you again, show and tell, sync up call is part of the boot camp. Okay. Yep. Good morning. If you do not join because of the work schedule, you need to actually watch and make sure you take advantage. Do not say so many show and tell is done and you did not watch any show and tell. When you are giving the show and tell, you are shaking. Well, then you did not watch any show and tell, right? So if you do not join, at least you should prepare yourself.